What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Changes with Chun. I'm Chun. What up? So today is a rainy day, and rainy days are great days to do DIY projects. So today we're going to do a nice, quick DIY project using things that you may just find around your house and not have to go anywhere for. So we're going to make a graphic tee, sort of like what I'm wearing right here. Sort of not, but so let's talk about the materials that we're going to need. You're going to need a t-shirt. I have like endless undershirts, so you're going to need a t-shirt. You're going to need some plastic wrap. You're going to need some parchment paper. Then you're going to need a picture. So this is the picture that I'm going to be putting on my shirt. It is kind of blurry because it is a still shot from one of my favorite videos of all times. I want to be down with Brandy and MC Light and Yo-Yo and Queen Latifah. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. So enough of that. We're going to get into the DIY. All right, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and cut the photo. I have baby scissors, but whatever. Boom. Okay, so you're gonna take your photo and you're gonna place it face down on your saran wrap and try to get it as flat as possible. And then you're going to go ahead and just wrap it. Boom, boom, boom. Then boom, boom, boom. And then boom, boom, boom. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. I'm gonna try to let some air out before I close the rest. And then I'm going to wrap it. So what I'm also gonna do though is put some more saran wrap on the back. I've learned this through trial and error. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move this to the side. I'm kind of gonna just fold some more. Then I'm gonna place that on the back so that it could actually stick to the shirt. I'm gonna put a towel down because I don't want to burn my nice IKEA desk. But if you're able to do it on an ironing board, just do it on an ironing board. I'm doing it like this for the video. But next things next, we're gonna go ahead and lay our shirt out. We're gonna try to lay it out without any wrinkles. Boom, boom. Then we're going to place the shirt where we want it. Try to level it as much as we can. If you want to break out your ruler, break out your ruler. I'm gonna cover it with parchment paper. Boom. Then you're going to make sure your iron is hot, and you're just gonna begin to work it if it's worth it. You're gonna really need to apply a lot of heat because you want to melt the plastic to the shirt, and just be patient with it. For me, I don't stop until I see that my parchment paper is really cooked. I don't know if that's a saying, but whatever, it is now. Make sure you get the corners really good. Iron should not be on a low setting because you really want it to be hot. And now we're gonna see if we were successful. so I might have burned it a little bit. That's nothing that I can't fix with a little more ironing. It has some flaws, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Now I'm gonna model it off for you guys. So boom, turned out pretty good. Dress it up, you know, throwing a nice little fit with it. And that's how you make you a nice shirt on a budget, if you want a budget, or if you just want a nice little DIY project. This was cool. This was real cool. This was cool, you know, real cool. All right, so this is the finished product. I threw it on with a nice little shirt. Nice finished product. Change my hat around. Got me a nice little shirt on a discount. Throw it on with a fit. Boom. We out here. Thank you for watching my video, Changes with Chunn. I'm Chunn. Come back for more.